Monster-themed slimes drop tomorrow.
Slime Mummy, can we acknowledge how cool the transition was? Anyways, this is a Halloween version of our Slime Mummy slime. Listen to the crunches.
Vampire dust. Each slime contains one vampire accidentally turned to dust. Unfortunate, but the slime is great.
Wednesday.
And Enid.
Our first time doing a texture like this, and it's amazing.
I wish I could mix these two slimes together over and over again.
Look how amazing the end result is.
Zombie ramen. The clay part is not made of brains. But the end result is looking a little sus. Zombies would love this slime.